Brad, thanks for letting me stuff. I'll have fun with my friends.
You're welcome. Have fun.
There he goes. He doesn't know I'm here. What's going on? Brad. What is he doing? Okay. Oh my God, he's going. He doesn't know I'm here still.
Get in the jet. Get in the jet.
Okay, hide back here. This is a pretty safe spot for me to hide right now. Okay, I think he's going to get other people. Oh, that's such a bright light. Oh, nice. Go get Brooke. Where'd he go? What? He's scared right here. Go get Brooke. Don't worry about that crap. God damn it. Ah, my eyes. Stupid son. Let's keep on going. Where'd he go? He captured another person.
No, I'm going this way.
Brad.
Get in the dungeon.
I have to tell Brad this.